Hi, I'm Jamie Stewart, president of Mega Media Factory and a Squigglemeister. You may be asking, what is Squiggle and how can I become a Squigglemeister? Well, Squiggle is an AI-powered content creation tool that helps you create engaging video content quickly and easily. And how do you become a Squigglemeister? Well, it's by invite only, but you can become a Squiggler. More on that later. In this episode, we'll focus on the new interactive assessment builder of Squiggle and learn why it applies to you. Be sure to subscribe to keep up to date on upcoming features, integrations, best practices, tips, tricks, and much more. You've already been creating more video content than ever before, right? Why not make it easy? Did you know that our Power User of the Month made over 2,000 videos? There's so many new features we can focus on with Squiggle, but let's look at just the assessment builder, which is truly game-changing. You can build quizzes for schools and education, corporate learning and training, and even for government applications. You can use multiple choice, short answer, checkboxes, drop-downs, and more. And afterwards, you can easily download a report card of everyone who took your quiz. This ensures a higher level of engagement and that learning objectives are truly met. Let's see it in action. Once you are done with your video and it's finalized, select the video from your dashboard. Click on the tools icon and select the quiz builder. There are a number of options you can select from to build your quiz. How you want it scored, allowing for retakes, providing immediate feedback, which user data to collect, and whether you want the quiz to play in video or at the end. You can now begin to build your assessment by adding your first question. You can select from a list of question types including checkbox, drop-down, paragraph, multiple choice, short answer, and statements. Type in your question, provide the correct answer, and then you can select when you want it to appear in your video. There are additional options that allow for color customizations, adjusting the position, and conditional logic for correct or incorrect answers. Continue adding questions until you've completed building your assessment. You can now preview your video with quiz, and if satisfied, publish your video. In future episodes, we'll focus on more interactive options, preview upcoming features, and dive into how Squiggle can be used with other content creation tools. Not sure if Squiggle is a good fit for your school or business? Schedule a demo today, or you can buy online by going to squiggle.megamediafactory.com. Share your Squiggles and become a Squiggler by joining our Facebook community. Links in the description below. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.